be on the left.
In here?
Yeah, the frog. Imagínate estar en el agua con ellos. Trippy. No, guys. Come on, let's go. That's so cool, huh? Come on, puppy, look. Look. Huh?
Imagine I'm trampling food.
Yeah. Cheese. Wow. They're so beautiful. Yeah, I wonder which one that is. They have the red lionfish. Didn't go see those? Ooh. They have the upside down jellyfish. Who are they, from the upside down world? Yeah?
Whoa!
Yeah. The upside down jellyfish. Let's see. Their brown color comes from a single... Oh, I'm going to get a chance to read it. Ooh, they have a stingray and the eastern oysters. That's so cool. No, don't put your hands on it, puppy. Wow. So cool. Red snappers and gray snappers. It's awesome. Yeah? Yeah, the water, but the lion's the tiger's sleeping. That's so cool.
Yes.
Walmart yesterday. Oh my god, I was flipping. So I got this, the Happy Planner accessory, and it comes with 2,194 pieces for $3. It was originally $23.82, but your girl got it for $3. It comes with like stickers, 96 of those, 120 of those, some like these, like to-do list, includes classic sized paper, a little pouch, and all these stickers, which I'm gonna give some to my sister because it is her birthday today. Happy birthday, sister. I'm about to put her little gift together because I got her a shirt, and she's been getting into like planning like me. So yeah, I found this one for $3. Oh my god, I was flipping out. It's all unmarked, so it comes with the stickers that you can put. You can put like to do, important. It has all the nice cute little fonts for the for the months and all that. It's super cute. I freaking love it. For $3, I was going crazy inside like a little kid. Oh, and these, I don't know if I showed these last time when I did my Dollar Tree haul, but I got some of those. Do you want to say thank you, Dad? Tell Daddy, hook it on. Yeah. But these are like, I've been collecting these for like, these since I was like a little kid. Crazy kids. I was trying to do my planner, and then we started a water gun fight. Motherfuckers. Pa, why'd you let him pull him out?
Huh? Oh, they put him out.
Or just one?
Put it in there.
You think?
Yeah, no, that sounds good.
Should I do it on yours? So I can grow? Because you're sitting girl poke hole no? They started to grow and I barely planted them. Like the 22nd is really the 28th. Yeah? Yeah.
What good's a credit card if you can't even use it?
I don't know, what good is it?
Order by phone. 1-800. Our phone doesn't go up
Eat,
to
puppy.
800.